Welcome to this guide. Today you will learn how to change the language on WhatsApp. If you prefer to use WhatsApp in a different language, follow these simple steps to update your settings. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. By opening the WhatsApp application on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the three dots and then click on them. After a small window opens, scroll down to the settings option and click on it. The application will open a new page where you will find the app language option in the drop-down menu and also click on it. By clicking on the app language option, a new drop-down menu will open with all the languages supported by the WhatsApp application. All you have to do is select the language that suits you and then click on that language. The application will automatically switch to your new selected language, and that's it. You have successfully changed the language on WhatsApp. If you want to go back or choose a different language, simply repeat these steps. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.